Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download, install and activate Microsoft Office LTC Professional Plus Preview version 2024. First of all, let's check which version of Microsoft Office we will try to install. If we open Excel on the account section, in this video, I will show you how to download and install and activate Microsoft Office LTC Professional Plus 2024 Preview version. As you can see that I have already activated this product. At the end of this video, I will show you how to activate Office LTC Professional Plus 2024 Preview version. So let's start. Before download and installation, if you have any previous version of Microsoft Office installed on our computer, we have to uninstall the previous version first. To uninstall the previous version, we can uninstall it from Control Panel, or we can simply right click here on the installed apps. We can search for Microsoft Office. As you can see, we have already installed Professional Plus 2024 version. So we will uninstall it. Yes. Uninstall. So we have to wait for some time. Okay friends, as you can see, we have successfully uninstalled Microsoft Office from our computer, and it is recommended to restart our computer. We will restart our computer, then we will be back. Okay friends, we have restarted our computer. Now to download Microsoft Office 2024, we will open any of the browser. Here we have Chrome, simply we will open it. Then we will search for Office customization tool. On the first link, which is on official Microsoft website, we will click on it. Here, according to our requirement, we will configure the customization tools. To know whether we need for 32-bit or 64-bit, we can open the run and we can set for DXDIAG. As you can see that we have installed Windows 11 Pro 64-bit. So we will select 64-bit. Then on the Office suite, we will select this one, Office LTC Professional Plus 2024 Volume Basics. Then we don't want to install Visual and Project. If you want to install, you can select. Leave this update as it is. On the apps, you can select which apps you want to install. Next, here we have to select the language. We will select English US. Then from here you can select additional language. Next, on the installation, leave this as it is. Next, again, if you want to check, automatically check for update. We don't want automatic check for updates. Next, on license and activation, leave it as it is. Next, and finally finish. Once we finish, in this side you can see the configuration settings. We will click on export. We will select Office Open XML format. I accept. We have to check I accept, and the file name, just leave it as configuration. Export. As you can see, the file has exported successfully. This was the first file. Now we need for one more file. we will search for Office deployment tools. Again, on the first link, which is on Microsoft Word, we will click on it. Here, this tool has only English version. We will click on download. As you can see, the file has downloaded successfully, which is 3.6 MB. We will open the folder. You can see here that we have downloaded both the files, configuration file and Office deployment tools. We will simply click on Office deployment tool and we will run it as administrator. We will say yes. Continue. Here it is important to make a separate folder for the installation. We will click on this PC, drive C. Now we will make a new folder. We will name it as Office 24. We will select it, Office 24, and we will say OK. As you can see, the file extracted successfully to Office 24. Now we will say OK. We will copy this file. We will simply copy it. Then we will open our computer, drive C, Office 24. We will paste the configuration file. Now we don't need for this file. You can delete it. We will delete it. We will close all this. Okay friends, we have completed the first step, which was downloading both the files. Right now we have two files. One is setup and the second one is configuration. Now we will start the second step, which is installation. For the installation, we will click on this address and we will copy this address. Once we copy it, then we will search for cmd command prompt. Here we have to run as administrator. We have to run command prompt as administrator. We will say yes. Now first we will write cd change directory and we will paste the address. We will enter. You can see that we are in drive C, Office 24 in this folder. Now we will write setup space backslash configure space configuration .xml. Configuration this file as we have saved it as XML. Then we will enter. As you can see, download of Microsoft Office 2024 has started. Now it depends on our internet connectivity. It may take 5 minutes or maximum 10 to 15 minutes. We will wait, then we will start the activation step. Okay friends, you are all set. Let's close it. Now let's search for Word or Excel. If we open Word, okay, nice. You can see everything is working properly. If we click on File, More, Account, you can see that we have installed Microsoft Office LTC Professional Plus 2024, and you can see that the product is activated. So in this way we can install and activate Microsoft Office LTC Professional Plus 2024. If in your case it is showing that activation required, so I will write the product key. You can activate it with this product key. Yeah. Okay. So you can simply paste this product key. Or I will add this product key in the video description. You can simply copy this product key, then File, More, Account, and on Change Product Key, just simply press the product key and activate. That's all. So this was all for today's video. If you find any difficulties during installation, download, and activation, you can comment me below. And if you find the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.